Hi guys, today we talk about HMD Skyline. It's launched on July 2024. HMD Skyline dimensions height 6.47 inch with 2.94 inch thickness 7.9 mm. The weight is 199 gram and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of HMD Skyline, it's come with POLED 16mm color screen type. The screen size is 6.55 inch. The screen to body ratio is 83.9% and the resolution is 1080p by 2400 pixels with 402 ppi density. The refresh rate is 144 Hz with 1000 nits peak of brightness. And the screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The platform of HMD Skyline it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4 nanometer and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 with 2.4 GHz CPU and the GPU is Adreno 710. The memory of Skyline is 12 and 8 gigs of RAM and 128 to 56 gigs of ROM and it supports micro SD card. Let's talk about the camera of HMD Skyline. It's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 108 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom. And it's record 4K 30fps video. The front selfie camera is 50 megapixel and it's record 1080p 60fps video or 4K 30fps video. With selfie camera, the battery backup it come with 4600 mAh battery with 33 watt fast watt charging and it supports 15 watt wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wireless charging. The commons and the feature of this mobile it's come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C 2.0, fingerprint side mounted, NFC, UFS 3.1 and IP54 dust and water resistant. The Skyline HMD price is $500.